Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining us. Thought I'd fire up my new Santa Maria grill. It's an attachment for my Weber Kettle. And go talk to Junior over at Gabby'sGrills.com if you're interested in getting yourself one. I don't have any affiliation with them or anything. I'm just letting you know. It's a fantastic grill, well built. We're going to fire it up with some mesquite. Man, I looked all over that Santa Maria grill. I just can't find anything on there that says you have to use red oak. So down here in Texas, we got plenty of mesquite. That's what we're using. We're gonna fire up the Santa Maria grill with some of that mesquite. We're gonna cook us a tri-tip on it. Y'all stick around, folks. This is gonna be a blast.
T-Roy Cooks. T-Roy Cooks. T-Roy, Austin, Texas.
All right, folks. This is my mesquite. And I've separated the larger and smaller chunks. I've got a couple of these tumbleweed starters right here. You can fire this up any way that you want. I just find this is pretty easy to do. If my lighter will work. There we go. Fire up my little tumbleweed starters here. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna throw in some of this little smaller wood here. See if we can get some, basically some kindling here. Get this going pretty good. I feel pretty good already. It's cold out here, folks. Of course, not as cold as it is up north, but it's cold for here. All right, then we're gonna go on some of the little bit larger chunks here, like that. Okay, so just build your fire like you're out camping or something, folks. That's all you got to do. I'm gonna get this thing going, and we'll bring you back once we have a bed of coals going here. All right, folks, while we're getting our fire going over here and get some coals going, we're going on this tri-tip right here. I trimmed the fat off of it, just, pretty good, but it's still left a little bit of layer because you want that fat. That fat's going to drip down into the fire over here. It's going to give it a real nice flavor. I got some of this. It's incredible. This has salt, pepper, and garlic and some other stuff. It's really, really good stuff. If you're interested in this, you can get your 20% discount from heavenmadeproducts.com if you use the promo code TROY20. Put a link down below. So we're going to go on here. I didn't put any bind or anything on here. We're just going to sprinkle some of this on here. And I'm not going to go too awful heavy with it. Going with a little bit of cayenne pepper. That's my buddy Russ. My brother Russ over at Smoky Ribs. Y'all go check him out. He likes a little bit of cayenne on his beef when he's grilling. And I do too. Good stuff, man. Just like so. Flip this baby over. Let's cut the other side over here and get it. Let's get this done on the other side and we'll bring y'all right back, folks. All right, gang. Now I've got the 22-inch Weber Kettle. Junior over at Gabby's Grills makes different sizes, so just let him know what size you're interested in and he can get it going for you. I'm going to go ahead and raise this baby up just a little bit. Yeah, I need to put some WD-40 on that, don't I? Let me go one more. There we go. It's got a little lock up here. You can lock that handle in place. Yeah, it feels like a nice indirect heat. And I still have some logs here. They're not quite up to temp yet. Let's go ahead and throw that on. I'm going fat side up. And we're just going to see how it goes. And I'm going to try to cook it to go about 130, 132 internal, something like that. So I'll bring you back if I make any adjustments. See y'all in a few. All right, it's only been like about 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and lower this thing now that my fire is kind of calming down a little bit. I want to get it to where the flames are just barely kissing that meat. Yeah, I like that right there. That looks good right there. We're gonna leave her there, and we'll flip it here in about 10 minutes. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and flip this over. Let's see what she's looking like. Looking really good. It's not really getting a crust on it or anything. It's going indirect, cooking like that. It may poke my fire just a little bit down here. I think we're doing pretty doggone good though. All right, another 10 minutes and we'll check the internal temp. All right, folks, let's turn this thing over. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, she's looking gorgeous. Y'all see that? Very cool. Let's see what the internal temp's showing right now. Probably gonna need quite a ways to go. 91 degrees. about 96, 95. And folks, when you're using one of these thermopins like I have here, the very tip end is where you read. So you want to stick that tip into the middle of the meat, the very tip end right here. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going in just a little bit so that tip is right in the middle of the meat. So that's how you, if you weren't sure how to use one of these thermopins, that's how you do it. So we're gonna let this thing keep going a little bit. When it comes up about another 5 degrees, I'm gonna go ahead and lower it and we're gonna sear it. We'll be back shortly. Now let's check it now and see what we got. 112, 115. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over. We're gonna sear this baby. Oh, I wish y'all could smell this. Holy cow. I did add a few more chunks of wood on here. Yeah, I think 1 notch is good enough. Yeah, the flame's just kissing it right there, man. It's gonna be fantastic. I'll bring y'all back after I pull this thing off. Again, I'm going about a 130, 132 internal. We'll meet y'all back shortly. All right, gang, here we go. That's a good looking tri-tip right there. Let's go ahead and cut her in half. See what we got. Tell you one thing, it sure does smell good. Awesome. There you go, folks. Check that out. Oh yeah. Nice medium. That's amazing right there. Go ahead and cut me a little slice of it here. And check out these knives from Edge of Belgravia, or Belgravia, something like that. Anyway, sell them on Amazon. I got a link down in the description box if you're interested. Let me cut one of these. Let's cut right here in the middle. How about that? A little slice. Let's give this a try. All right, gang, let's check this out. Here's that bark. Y'all check that out, man. That bark is fabulous. Down the hatch. Immediately I pick up a hint of that mesquite flavor. It's really, really good on this beef, man. And it's incredible from Heaven Made Products. That goes great on this tri-tip. Fabulous, fabulous combination. A little salt, garlic, and pepper, black pepper in there. Hope y'all give us a try. I gotta thank Junior over at Gabby's Grills again for this Santa Maria grill. Big time thumbs up. I haven't had tri-tip that tasted this good before. This is fabulous, folks. Hope y'all give it a try though. Give me some thumbs up. Y'all be sure and check out the links down in the description box. Just hit show more. If you're not subbed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I got a bunch of videos. Every Tuesday I do cooking. Every Thursday I do some Thursday live chats where I answer your questions. And hope y'all enjoyed this. Hope you share the video. When you do, please tell all of your friends that T-Roy cooks.
Responsibly.
Responsibly. Cheers, everybody.